This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro from Supcase, and it is an all-around protection case for your iPhone 16 Pro. Now, it's MagSafe compatible. As you can see, we could attach the magnet to the back, but there's also a built-in kickstand that pops up. And what I love about this is just the ability to use it as a kickstand. I mean, and then it goes and hides and snaps right into place. And while there are other cases that have a ring like this, what I like about this one is that it latches into place. And so I'm not worried about it going anywhere or being in the way. If I need it, I just simply pop it out and then it is there, and it is a kickstand. Very simple, but it's also MagSafe. And because of that, this case also supports wireless charging through MagSafe also. But this case also has a built-in screen protector on the front. So it has protection all the way around from the elements. It has a little cutout there for the camera. We've got a cover for our USB-C as well to protect that and keeping it clean. We also have a lanyard attachment here, and overall just a nice case with some grip on the side, and otherwise rather minimal in design, not being too intrusive. But it also comes with this belt clip attachment, and we could attach the phone in this way in order to protect the screen even more by just facing it inward towards the belt clip. And then of course we could flip this around also and put in the phone in this direction, and even use this to clip it to something. So I could clip this to my belt, I could clip this to pretty much anything, and then you could view content, you could do whatever. So there's dual purpose there besides it just being a belt clip. And then of course you just set that aside. You don't even have to have that with you all the time. Now, there is a big cutout for the capacitive camera control button. So we're gonna test that out. I'll press this down and press it again to open the camera. I mean, it's a bit of a bigger case to hold on to. I mean, I'm imagining this case on an iPhone 16 Pro Max. It would be a lot to hold on to, but you got to get your finger down in there into the camera control button in order to use it. It's just a lot. I mean, I can't hold the phone like this and reach the button. I'm going to have to hold the phone up here and use the camera control button in this way. And that's going to be the situation on pretty much any case that has a bit of protection to it. You're going to have to sacrifice a little bit there. The usability of the camera control button is a little bit trickier. And so if I'm up here trying to take a picture, I can't just hold my phone like this. I'm going to have to hold my phone in this way and use the camera control button and swipe and do my zooming and stuff that way. Obviously, taking a picture, I can just hold it like this and boom, press the button and take a picture. That's not as challenging. But if I want to swipe and use camera control, I'm really going to have to think through how I hold my phone with this case on it, just because there's so much there. Now, what would have been nice on this case is a capacitive button inlay, so that way we wouldn't have to reach so far down in there. But I do think they did a good job of making sure that there's enough contour there so that you can use the camera control button efficiently. If you're looking for full protection around your whole entire phone, then you can't really do much better than the UB Pro case from Supcase.